Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your POCO M8. So if you want to factory reset your phone, or basically bring your phone back to factory settings, all you need to do is open up the settings, then tap on About Phone, scroll down, and tap on Factory Reset. And here it shows you the following items that are going to be erased from the phone. And down here you'll have the Erase All Data button. So we're going to tap on that. And here you're going to type in your pattern or your passcode, anything. And it's going to ask you if you want to back up your items first, or do you want to just factory reset. So you can back up your files to the Xiaomi Cloud. And if you want to, just press the backup button, but if you don't want the files, just press factory reset. Now once you press factory reset, it's going to guide you through the process. If anything else pops up, just make sure to follow the guide that's going to be on the screen, and that is pretty much it. Your phone will be reset. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.